On January 23, 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste reached a depth of 35,787 feet in the Mariana Trench, the lowest point on Earth. This historic dive marked the first time humans had reached the bottom of the deepest ocean. The pressure at this depth is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and the darkness is total. Yet, despite these extreme conditions, life exists in the deep sea. The Hadal Zone, named after Hades, is the deepest part of the ocean, extending from about 20,000 to 36,000 feet. This region is characterized by near-freezing temperatures, total darkness, and crushing pressure. Only a handful of species can survive in this extreme environment, including the giant tube worm and the deep-sea anglerfish. One of the most fascinating creatures of the deep sea is the vampire squid, which has a pair of retractable, thread-like filaments that it uses to capture prey. Another bizarre creature is the gulper eel, which has a massive mouth and a stomach that can expand to twice its body size. These animals have adapted to the unique conditions of the deep sea in remarkable ways. In 1977, scientists discovered hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, which are underwater springs that emit hot water and minerals. These vents support a unique community of organisms, including giant clams, vent crabs, and bacteria that can survive in the harsh conditions surrounding the vents. The vents are like oases in the desert, providing a rare source of energy and nutrients in the deep sea. The deep sea food chain is complex and not fully understood. It's thought that the base of the food chain is formed by tiny organisms like phytoplankton and bacteria, which are consumed by small animals like zooplankton and krill. These in turn are eaten by larger animals, like fish and squid, which are then preyed upon by top predators like sharks and whales. Exploring the deep sea is a challenging and expensive endeavor. Submarines and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are used to explore the ocean floor, but these vehicles are limited by their size, weight, and power requirements. New technologies, like autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, are being developed to overcome these limitations and explore the deep sea more efficiently. The deep sea is a fragile and largely unexplored environment that's vulnerable to human impact. Conservation efforts are necessary to protect the deep sea and its inhabitants from the effects of overfishing, pollution, and climate change. Establishing marine protected areas and regulating human activities in the deep sea are crucial steps towards preserving this unique ecosystem. The future of deep-sea research is exciting and full of possibilities. New technologies and discoveries are being made regularly, and scientists are just beginning to scratch the surface of the deep sea's secrets. As we continue to explore and learn more about the deep sea, we may uncover new species, ecosystems, and even potential resources. Deep-sea exploration is essential for advancing our understanding of the ocean and its role in the Earth's ecosystem. The deep sea plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate, providing half of the oxygen we breathe, and serving as a source of new medicines and technologies. By exploring the deep sea, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of our planet. Despite the many advances in deep-sea research, there is still much that remains unknown. One of the greatest mysteries of the deep sea is the existence of the Hadal snailfish, a species that's been found in the deepest parts of the ocean but remains largely unstudied. What other secrets lie hidden in the deep sea, waiting to be discovered? As we conclude our journey into the world's deepest oceans, we're left with a profound question: what other unknown species and ecosystems exist in the deep sea, and how can we protect them? Subscribe to our channel for more educational content and like if you're fascinated by the world's deepest oceans and the mysteries that lie within.